Are you guys having problem to sign up into the Deepseek AI website? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily sign up into the Deepseek AI website. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Google app on your home screen. Then open it. After opening the app, make sure you have added and search for deepseek.com login, just like this. After that, here you can find the Deepseek just right here. Now tap on it. Now tap on to start now just right here. To sign up in the website, you need to tap on to start now. Now click on it. Then here you can find the sign up option just right here. Now select it. Now to sign up, simply add your email address just like this and add a strong password and confirm it. After that, simply tap on to send code just right here. Now add the code and tap on to this I confirm just right here and tap on to sign up. And now you can see you have been signed up. And that's it. This is how you can sign up in the Deepseek AI website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.